Just yesterday, I created a reel for a just listed using the listing pictures. So I posted on my social media, and there was this lady, this amazing realtor. She private messaged me and she asked me, Susanna, what website do you use to create the reel? And I said, I use Canva. And she said, oh my goodness, I wish I knew how to do that, or I even had time to create those. Well, that led me to today's video. So today I'm going to show you how to create a reel using your listing pictures. Let's get started. So here are three things that I would like to inform before we start working together on the reel. Number one, if you would like me to create reels, just like the one that I'm going to show you today, if you'd like me to create for you, make sure that you use the link in the description box below to contact me fast. Number two, if you would like to create reels like this for yourself, for your business, you do not need the paid subscription. You can create these reels using the Canva free option. Number three, if you'd like to receive more videos just like this one, make sure that you click the subscribe button and you hit the bell to receive a notification for every time that I post a new video. I post a new video every week. So let me show you the reel.
Okay, so first step is you're going to log in Canva. At the top, you have the search bar. You type Reel. You can choose Instagram Reel. And then Canva will show you a bunch of different templates that you can use. However, you don't find many that are specific for real estate listings. So I'm going to show you how to create one from scratch. So the first thing that I would like to do is I'm going to Elements. I'm going to click on Grids. I'm going to pick a photo. Since I'm not using real pictures, I'm going to simply grab one from Canva just to give you an idea. I'm going to pretend that these are the pictures of your listing. So I hope you get the idea. So I'm going to choose this one. Keep in mind that because most of the pictures that photographers take for listings are landscape, will not help with the reels, but we can somehow make it look interesting. So if your photographer takes vertical pictures already, so you can always request that service. And like I said in the beginning, if you'd like me to create these reels for you, then I will use those pictures. So let's keep going. So I'm going to click on Elements. I want to make this look more interesting. So basically I'm trying to create like a cover image. So this will be the first thing that the video will show, or the reel will show. I'm going to choose black. I'm going to work on the transparency. So I want to show the picture a little bit. And actually, before this, what I want to do is I want to click on the image. I want to click on animate, and you have different animations here. You get the idea. I like this one. I think it's nice and simple. I'm going to cover this. Let's see how it looks. Wonderful, that's what I want. Now I'm going to add some sort of a banner here. I want to make it in centered. Then I'm going to click on text and I'm going to type just listed. I want to make it quite big. Position, center, perfect. So let's say that this font is not really my style. So I'm going to click on fonts and I'm going to either choose from here or I can type handwriting. It's already here. And now Canva is showing me a lot of handwriting style. Do I like this? Do I like this? So keep in mind that I do have the Canva subscription. So for example, for the pictures, I'm just going to pick whatever picture, even if it's part of the subscription. But again, you will use your pictures. The same as the fonts. I have the option of using the fonts that belong to the subscription. But I'm going to try to use one that does not belong to the subscription. So this one is called Moontype, actually Moontime. I want to make this quite big, centered, and I want to add in here, it's a little small. I'm gonna type so the city of your listing, and I'm gonna say it's in Connecticut, and okay, I'm going to make it big, and I'm going to put in here position, it's already centered. I'm going to make this slightly bigger, position, and centered. Perfect. Let's see how this looks so far. Wonderful, that's what I want. So the next slides you can create from scratch, which we will do that, or if it applies, let's say if you have vertical pictures that your photographer provided, you can simply click on these little dots in here and duplicate page. So the only thing that you would need to do is to change the picture in the background and remove this and add maybe the title for that room, living room, kitchen, sunroom, etc., etc. But today is not the case, so I will show you what we'll do. So the first slide is 5 seconds long. I think it is too long. I'm going to do 3.5. Perfect. So the next one is I'm going to click on elements, grid, and this one I'm going to do my best, since the pictures are not vertical pictures, so we'll work things in a way that will help us show the room the best we can. So I'm going to add another. Perfect. So since I already like this one, I can click on these little buttons and duplicate the page. But before I duplicate the page, I would like to go to the elements again. I want to add a banner, and I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to make it dark. Okay, so this is going to be my template. I would like to also animate these. Do I like this? Do I like this? That looks nice too. So you don't need to click on these options. You can simply put the little mouse over the option and it will show you. I think I'm going with this simple one. Okay, so what I'm going to also do is 3.5 and I'm going to click on this to apply to all of them. So I like this template. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this, duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. So let's say that at the end, once you are done with the whole video, you realize that you have too many slides or slides that actually you don't have pictures anymore to use. So you can simply click on these little buttons, these little dots again, and you can delete the page. Okay, so let's go back to the first template and I'm gonna do living room. So I'm going to use the living room. So I'm going to bring the image all the way to the right and I'm going to use the same image, but I'm going to do the other way. So let's see how it looks so far. Perfect. And we will add here a transition, so you will see it looks nicer at the end. But right now we are only working on the on each slide. Okay, so this one I'm going to use a text. Living room. I'm going to make it white. Perfect. Let's see. That's what I want. So the next one, let's do, go to photos, let's do kitchen. Kitchen. Let's choose this one. And again, going to bring it to the left. Okay. Text. Kitchen. And let's see, this is 50. And it is the Boston. Perfect. White. Wonderful. Let's see how it looks. Perfect. Let's go to the next one. Master bedroom. I'm going to choose this one. Wonderful. Text. It's going to be 50 size. Let's see how it looks. Perfect. The next one, I'm going to choose, I'm going to photos. I don't want to make the reel too long. I just want to give you the idea. But like I said, you will add as many slides as you would like. Just keep in mind that when the reel is too long, either the platform will not accept it or it will be so long that the viewer will just give up halfway. So short and sweet is really the trick. Okay, so I'm going to add in here backyard. I think this one looks nice. Perfect. I'm going again to text. Going to the 50 size. Backyard. Wonderful. So the last one, instead of me just duplicating the this slide, I'm going to create something that is very similar to the first one. So instead of starting from scratch, what I can do is I can click on these little dots again. I can duplicate the page and I can click and drag carefully to the end. And I don't need this slide anymore, so I'm going to click on the little dots, delete the page. So from here I have almost everything that I need. So what I'm going to do is really just make some little changes. I would like to make this centered. However, I would like this slightly longer and longer. So I want this, besides centered, I want in the middle. So I want to add here some call to action. Book a showing today. I'm going to make this quite big. Wonderful. And I'm going to add here the realtor's name, Joanna. Joanna is always, I don't know a Joanna, but Joanna is always in my videos. Okay, and centered. I always use Joanna as an example. Okay, so here what I would like to do is I would like to, which you could have done in the beginning, but this is what I put together today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add here the whole address, 123 Main Street. Centered. I'm going to bring it down and I'm going to add in here, I'm going to use this one just because it has the font that I would like to use. And I'm going to add Joanna's phone number, 860. Let's pretend that's her number. I'm going to make it a little bigger. Let's see how it looks. Perfect. So what we can also do is we can add some animation. So animate. I think I like it. Or this one, the fade. I think I like the fade. So let's see again. Perfect. I like it. So we are almost done, but I would like to add some transitions in here. So I'm going to click on the transition and I'm going to see which one I want. Let's make it simple. So I'm going to use the dissolve one, dissolve, dissolve. Perfect. Let's see how it looks. It looks amazing so far. So I would like to also add an audio. Now you can add a very simple audio from here. You are not obligated to add an audio. You can simply download without audio and use an audio from Instagram or Facebook. So as long as the platform offers some audio option, you are more than welcome to do so. But I'm going to add some audio just in case if you are interested in adding some audio and just use as it is. Let's see this one. I like it. I'm going to drag and drop to my video. Wonderful. And what I can also do is, if I click on the audio, I have audio effects. You can fade in or fade out. I'm going to choose 2. Wonderful. Let's see on the adjust. Adjust allows you to pick the part on the entire sound that you like the most, but I'm not interested in doing that right now, so let's see how it looks. Looks amazing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on top right corner, there's a share button, and I'm going to click on download, and it should assume that it is a video, so it will pop MP4 video, and you do not need to change any of these options. From here you just click download and it will download as a video, and the only thing that you need to do is simply upload that onto Facebook or Instagram. So both platforms will allow you to do so, or even TikTok. You can upload this, and again, you can use their audio if that's something that you would like to do.
So another element that you can also add to the last slide is your profile picture. You're more than welcome to do so. It looks nice and professional, or if you would prefer, just leave the name and contact information, so it's really up to you. However, with the picture looks nice as well. So like I said in the beginning, if you would like me to put these reels together for you every time that you get a listing, make sure that you use the link in the description box below to contact me fast. Also, if you'd like to receive more videos just like this one, make sure that you subscribe and you hit the bell to receive a notification for every time that I upload a new video here in my YouTube channel. So I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.